Sesame. The sesame plant probably originated in Asia or East Africa. The ancient Romans used to grind sesame seeds with cumin as a spread for bread. The aroma and taste of sesame seeds are known to be soft like nuts. Sesame is also high in protein and rich in thiamine and vitamin B6. From the content of sesame can provide a number of benefits for the health of the body. Meet fiber needs. The fiber content in sesame has the benefit of lowering total blood cholesterol levels by lowering low-density lipoprotein LDL or bad cholesterol. In people with diabetes, fiber can slow the absorption of sugar, which helps control blood sugar levels. Build and maintain cell function. Sesame seeds contain 5 grams of protein per 3 tablespoons 30 grams. Protein is essential to your health because it helps build and carry out the functions of the body's cells, from muscles to hormones. Healthy bones. Sesame seeds are rich in several nutrients such as calcium, manganese, magnesium, and zinc, which are needed for bone health. The content of these nutrients is also useful in preventing free radicals and cancer cells. Reduce inflammation. A review from the Scientific World Journal 2014 found that consumption of sesame seeds reduced inflammation in patients with kidney disease. In the study, patients consumed a mixture of 18 grams of flaxseed with 6 grams of sesame seeds and 6 grams of pumpkin daily for 3 months. Control blood sugar. Diabetic Medicine, a journal of British Diabetic Association 2019 found that sesame seeds are low in carbohydrates, but high in protein and healthy fats that are beneficial for controlling blood sugar. Prevents cell damage. A study published in Chemistry Open 2018 explains that the lignin content in sesame seeds functions as an antioxidant. This means that this substance makes sesame beneficial in fighting oxidative stress or chemical reactions that can damage your cells and increase the risk of many chronic diseases. Increase endurance. Sesame seeds provide about 20% of the 13 milligrams daily requirement of zinc in a 3 tablespoon 30-gram serving. Your body needs zinc to develop and activate certain white blood cells that can recognize and attack harmful microbes. The health benefits of sesame are quite diverse. You can process sesame as a complementary food or seasoning in cooking. However, make sure the amount of sesame you consume is not excessive. Thank you for watching. We hope this information is useful for you. See you soon.